Okay, today we are going to look at multi-step equations. So we're solving linear equations, multi-step equations. Now it's exactly the same process as one-step and two-step equations. Ultimately we're trying to get the pronumeral, isolate the pronumeral by itself on one side of the equal sign, and everything else is removed to the other side of the equal sign. Okay, so in this question here, we have three different operations being performed on the x. So it's being multiplied by 2, then it's having 5 subtracted, then it's being divided by 7. Now, just like with two-step ones, we must undo these three operations in reverse order. So the last thing that is being done to the pronumeral is it's being divided by 7. So the first thing to remove is the divide by 7. Now the inverse of dividing by 7 is multiplying by 7. And again, just like in the previous examples, we have to do this to both sides of the equal sign to keep the equation balanced. So we're multiplying by 7, both sides. These two 7s here cancel each other out, which is why we did it. Okay, that was the point. 2x minus 5 is all that is left on this side. 3 times 7 is 21. Okay, now the next thing, or the second last thing, rather the last thing now that's being done to the x is this subtract 5, minus 5. So to both sides, we need to do the inverse of that, which is to add 5 to both sides. Okay, so we put a plus 5 here and a plus 5 on this side of the equal sign, and we get this negative 5 and this positive 5 cancelling each other out, which is why we did it. And we are left with 2x on this side, and we are left with 21 plus 5 equals 26. Okay, last operation to inverse or to eliminate from the left-hand side here is this multiplying by 2. So the inverse of multiplying by 2 is to divide by 2. We're doing that to both sides. And we are left with, on this side, this 2's cancel out to be 1. X 26 divided by 2 is 13. Okay, let's take our proposed answer of 13 up here and go, okay, well 2 times 13 equals 26. 26 minus 5 equals 21. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. And we know we have the correct answer. Okay, so now you should be able to continue with the exercise, including question 8. All. Okay, thank you.